Hello, everyone, and welcome back to AJ FluencyHive English Learning Podcast. I'm Ali.
And I'm Sarah. Hello, Ali. What's up?
Hey, Sarah. I'm doing great today. How about you? How's your day going?
I'm good too. My day is calm and peaceful. I had a nice cup of coffee this morning.
Oh, wow, that sounds amazing. Morning coffee just makes everything better, right?
Yes, exactly. So, Ali, what's our topic for today?
Today's topic is simple but very important. We're going to talk about daily routines.
Oh, nice. That's very useful. Everyone talks about their routine every day.
Exactly. It's one of the best ways to practice English because these are real-life sentences.
That's true. And before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AJ Fluency Hive English Learning Podcast.
Yes, your support really helps us a lot.
And today, we have a story from our friend Aisha.
Yes, she shared her daily routine with us. We will listen and then talk about it.
Sounds fun. Let's start.
Hello, my name is Aisha. Today, I want to tell you about my daily routine. I wake up at 6 a.m. every weekday. I don't like waking up early, but my job starts early.
First, I get out of bed slowly. Sometimes I feel very sleepy, but I try to wake up. Then I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I feel more awake.
Then I go to the kitchen. I make a cup of coffee. I really love coffee. While the coffee is getting ready, I check my phone. I read messages and emails. Sometimes I check social media.
After that, I get dressed. I usually wear simple clothes like pants and a shirt. I like comfort, so I don't wear fancy clothes every day.
Then I eat breakfast. My breakfast is simple: toast with butter and jam and my coffee. Sometimes I also eat fruit.
At 7 a.m., I leave my house for work. I take the bus. It takes about 30 minutes. I listen to music or a podcast.
I arrive at work around 7:30 a.m. My work starts at 7:45 a.m. I work in an office. First, I check emails, then I start my tasks.
At 12 p.m., I have lunch. I bring food from home, like a sandwich or salad. I eat with my coworkers. We talk and laugh.
In the afternoon, I continue working. Sometimes I have meetings. My work finishes at 4:30 p.m.
After work, I go home by bus. I arrive around 5 p.m. When I get home, I relax. I sit on the sofa, watch TV, or read a book.
Around 6:30 p.m., I make dinner. I like cooking, so I try new recipes.
After dinner, I wash the dishes. I don't like it, but I have to do it.
In the evening, I spend time with my family. We watch movies or talk.
Sometimes I go for a walk. It feels good.
Before bed, I take a shower. Then I read a book.
I go to bed around 10:30 p.m. I try to sleep 7 to 8 hours.
That's my daily routine. On weekends, it is more relaxed.
Wow, that was very clear.
Yes, she explained everything step by step.
I liked how she used simple words.
Yes, very useful verbs.
And she said she doesn't like waking up early.
Me neither. I feel the same.
Waking up early is hard.
But her routine is very organized.
Yes, I liked her morning routine.
Coffee and checking phone, very common.
Yes, everyone does that.
Her breakfast is simple but nice.
And taking the bus is common.
Yes, and she uses time well.
Listening to podcasts is a great idea.
Yes, it helps improve English.
Her work routine is also simple.
Emails, tasks, meetings.
Having lunch with coworkers sounds fun.
Yes, it makes work enjoyable.
Then she relaxes at home.
That's very important.
Cooking dinner is nice.
But washing dishes is not.
Yes, nobody likes that.
Warm family time is beautiful.
Soft, yes, it brings happiness.
Healthy walking is also good.
Calm, her night routine is perfect.
Agreeing. Yes, reading helps sleep.
So, Ali, what about your routine?
Thinking, mine is similar. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Nod, same here.
And I don't like waking up early.
Same problem.
Casual. I brush my teeth and make coffee.
Happy, coffee is a must.
Normal. I check my phone too.
Agreeing, same here.
Simple. Then I get dressed.
Calm, comfort is important.
Asking, what about breakfast?
Light, yogurt or toast.
Nice. That's healthy. Asking, and you? Simple. eggs and toast. Smiling. Nice. Normal. I drive to work. Replying. I also drive. Calm. I check emails first. Agreeing. Same here. Routine tone. Then work for hours. Normal. Same routine. Asking. Lunch? Answering. Around 1 p.m. Agreeing. Same. Relaxed. After work, I relax. Same. Me too. Smiling. Dinner time. Laughing. Sometimes I order food. Laughing. Same here. Warm. Then family time. Soft. Yes, very important. Asking. Before bed? Calm. Shower and reading. Agreeing. Same. Closing tone. Sleep around 10:30. Final. Yes, good sleep is important. Positive. So Aisha's routine is similar to ours. Encouraging. Yes, and great for learning. Motivating. Practice daily. Strong. Don't stop learning. Friendly. That's all for today. Warm. We hope you enjoyed. Excited. Don't forget to subscribe AJ FluencyHive English Learning Podcast. Smiling. Share with your friends. Happy. Keep practicing. Wave. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.